Jingle bell.
Hey y'all! Happy first day of Vlogmas, the most wonderful time of the year. This is my first Vlogmas, so it's either gonna go super good or super bad. I don't think there's any in between, but for the first day, I thought that in honor of it, we could make some yummy holiday treats. So I'm heading to Target as we speak. I probably should not be driving and vlogging, but you know, just love the aesthetic of it. It's nothing better than a good vlog in the car. So I'm gonna go to Target and see if they have anything. If not, we'll head to HEB. But I also have a really bomb hot chocolate recipe that I'm gonna show y'all. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, happy first day! Woo! I'm so excited. Alright, see you at Target. Bye. Okay, just to set the Christmas mood, I'm gonna light this candle. I just got it from Bath and Body, and if you don't like too Christmassy, like I don't like it too Christmassy, this is perfect because it's like a little bit of Christmas with a little bit of citrus. Also, PSA, sorry about this camera string. PSA, I think it's December 4th. Bath and Body Works is having $8.95 candles for National Candle Day. So whatever day is National Candle Day, that's when they're having it. And my dog thinks she needs to get the candle. But yeah, that's the best scent. Take a screenshot. Okay, we're gonna do a little Target haul. First off, I got this plate. Look how cute it was. It was only $2. Yeah, $2. And I thought it would be cute to put the cookies on. And then I got a mug because you always need a Christmas mug to go with your hot chocolate. And look how cute it is. It's like, to me it looks like an Anthropologie mug, like for $5. Super cute. As for baking, I got these holiday sprinkles. Look how cute they are. And then it came with little cookie cutters, so I'm gonna use them for the sugar cookies. I'm not gonna do anything too fancy, but I'm gonna do that. I got some icing for the sugar cookies. I'm not gonna make my own. And then I got, these are the classics. I got the Christmas tree ones and the elf ones. I'm not gonna make all of these, that'd be a waste. I'm gonna just make half and then I'll make the rest another day. But here's the sugar cookies. And then I got some whipped cream for our hot chocolate, so let's just get into it. Okay, I'm just gonna bake some of these ones because the sugar cookies, I need to put them in the freezer because they're a little bit too, sorry my dog, they're a little bit too thawed out to make, like to cut little cookies out of them. So I'm gonna wait till they freeze a little bit so that way they can be a little bit easier to cut. So these are elf ones, they're super cute, and then I'm gonna do these Christmas tree ones and then I'll show you before I put them in. All right, here's the first batch going in. Okay, the cookies are kind of bad, but we're working through it. The cookie was super sticky. I put a little bit of flour on it and it seems to have helped a little bit, but not by much. And the cookie cutters are so little, like these are gonna be tiny. So that's what they look like. I just put a little bit of flour on a plate because I don't want to put it on the counter. But yeah, that's what they look like. I'll show you what they look like, but I'm going to do most of them circles because that's way easier and I think they'll be prettier. Okay, here's the second batch. I'm doing a couple of regular ones because these are so tiny. Like, look. I'm trying to show you like in comparison to my hand, but that doesn't make sense. But yeah, and they're kind of not like very, I'm not sure how they're gonna turn out, but I'm gonna put these in and then we're gonna ice them and make them all cute. Sorry, it's a little messy back there, but we're gonna do hot chocolate. So depending on how many people you're serving is dependent on the recipe. I made this up myself, so it should be good. So I'm gonna do 1 cup of milk. You can do almond milk, oat milk, whatever you fancy. We just drink regular milk here, I know. Weird, but I'm gonna do 1 cup of milk. Maybe like 1.5. Bloop. Okay, And then we're gonna let that heat up. And then to that, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is just unsweetened. And then since it's unsweetened, gotta add some sugar. So this is just, I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons of sugar, maybe 3, just depending how it looks. It also depends how sweet you want it, so. And then as for utensils, I'm gonna use a whisk. Whisk it up, whisk it up. Okay, well, let it boil and then I'll show you. Okay, so our milk is heating up. Honestly, it didn't take too long. So I'm gonna get some, y'all, I love the way cocoa powder smells. Smells so good. I need to turn this down before it burns. Okay, 1, 2. You don't have to be too precise, ladies and gents. Do that. I'm gonna whisk this first because cocoa powder takes a minute to like dissolve. Once I get it dissolved, I'll show y'all the rest. And then I'm gonna take some sugar. I kind of like mine sweet, not too sweet. 1. You could also use agave for this if you don't. I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons. If you think that it's too sweet, but I don't know, I like it sweet. And then you can also add chocolate chips. You could add some peppermint extract. I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. Let me grab it. You could also add whatever you wanted, honestly. Kind of a lot. But that's pretty much it. I'm gonna make it all pretty and then I'll show y'all. Here comes the real artiness. All right. Wow, wow. Ooh. And then this is a wild card. This knife is like in the way. This is the wild card right here. Some caramel. You have to have caramel on your hot chocolate. Whoa, that looks so gorgeous. And then last but not least, you gotta get some sprinkles. I think I'm gonna do the green. Whoa, that's so pretty. Wow. Okay. Just drop your sprinkles. There's the finished hot chocolate. You can't tell me that isn't precious. That is so cute. Okay, let's do a taste test. All right, we have our first fail of Vlogmas. The cookies, the little ones that I cut out, this is a snowman. Could you have guessed it? Probably not. This is a snowflake and it's burnt. This is not a flower. The star came out okay, but they're not good. So these ones are way better. So we're gonna ice them. I just got this icing, kind of cute. I'm just gonna do a little bit, you know, because we're already having enough sweets. I probably should have let these cool down, but I'm antsy, I'm impatient. Oh my gosh, I feel like I could work at Cake Boss. Well, what place sells cookies? I feel like I could work at Tiff's Treats. This is honestly beautiful. I'm not even showing you what I'm doing, but look at that smooth application. That looks, you know what I'm calling this segment? Pages cooking, Pages, this is not cooking, this is baking. Pages baking spectacular. Spectacular. That's what. Look how beautiful. I'm gonna finish doing the rest and we can make them cute. And then look at these sprinkles. Wow. This is just the artsiest I've ever been in on Christmas. Look how gorgeous. Honestly, hit me up if you want some cookies, because this Vlogmas is costing me a lot of money, if you know what I mean. But look at my cookies. Santa would love them. He would love them. Here's the finished cookies. Okay, the official taste test. I already ate some, but it's alright. Immaculate. Best thing I've ever tasted. But thank you for watching my vlog. Make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of Vlogmas, and have a very merry day. I will see you tomorrow. Love y'all.
Jingle bell.